I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Today's Ninja Squad shout out goes to the lovely Natalie and also to Elaine. Thank you so much for commenting below, guys. If you want a chance to be featured, then don't forget to leave me a comment down below. So I'm going to start off by sharing the products I'll be using for today's gel polish design. And first off, I'm using this chunky dot glitter, which is called Pinkie Pie. I'll also be combining that with the neon pink rings, which is again a glitter shape. I'll be using Pretty Pink gel polish as my base colour, just because it's super gorgeous and super pretty as well. And as always, I will link these products down below, so if you want to check them out, then just pop to the description box and you can find everything there. I'm starting off by applying one coat of Pretty Pink gel polish to the nail. Of course, if you were working on yourself, you'd make sure you've prepped your nails, applied your base coat and cured that, and then you're going to come in with your colour coat. You want to make sure you are applying it nice and evenly, nice and thin, and make sure to cap the free edge as well. Now I'm going to pop in the lamp and cure for a full 60 seconds. Now that I've cured in the lamp for 60 seconds and this layer is dry, we want to go ahead and apply a second colour coat. This is just to make sure that we have a nice opaque creamy base. Whatever colour you have chosen, you want to make sure it's nice and even and full and just, you know, super crisp and pretty. So now that I've finished applying that, I'm going to go ahead and cure this in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. Now that the base colour is cured, I'm going to come in with Nail Mate base coat, and this is a nice thick base coat. I'm going to apply a nice even layer over the entire colour of the polish that I've already applied. Remember that we've already cured that colour. I'm going to come in with the base coat and a detailer brush, and I haven't cured that base coat, so I'm leaving it nice and wet. This brush is from the 5-piece detailer brush set, which again I will link down below. I'm just taking a little bit of that base coat and popping it onto my brush, and this is just going to help me pick up the individual pieces much easier because they're going to tack onto my brush and I can just move them around freely. I'm placing the neon rings onto the nail, making sure that I'm focusing those to the centre of the nail, just because these are round. Not round, of course they are round, they are circles, lol. But because they are wide and the circle's larger, if we put that towards the edge, it may cause issues, it won't lay as flat. So you want to focus the glitters in areas that suit that shape the best. So definitely think about that and have that in mind when placing down your glitters on gel polish. I'm coming in with Pinkie Pie and I'm selecting a few of those dots, and I'm just placing those randomly in the centre of the neon rings and also around scattered just randomly, making sure again that they are laying flat into that base coat. And by having that base coat all over the nail, it just makes it super easy to place those glitter dots wherever I want. And again, at Glitter Planet we have so many of these dot glitters and hexagon glitters. No matter what kind of colour you want, we have something for you, and this would be beautiful in so many different combinations. We also have the rings in the black rings. We also have the white rings as well. And I think that is it at the moment. I'm definitely planning on getting some more. I just think they are so versatile to use like this in sets, to use with acrylic as well. I just absolutely love them. So now that I'm happy with the set and how these dots are looking, I'm just going to go ahead and move them around, make sure they are laying flat and like I want, and then I'm going to cure them in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. Next I'm going to come in with base coat, and the reason why I'm coming in with base coat is because these glitters are chunky. We need something that's going to fill those gaps. So I'm just going to go ahead, make sure my brush is fully loaded with that base gel, and go ahead and apply that to the entire nail, making sure to get between all of the gaps. I'm still going to make sure that the gel is sitting evenly and that it's not flooding or pooling in any areas, but we really want to focus on trying to make the nail as smooth and as full as possible. Now that I've finished applying the first coat of base gel, I'm going to go ahead and cure that in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. You make sure to cap the free edge with this as well, and also just do a final check to make sure that you have no base gel like pooling or running into the sidewalls or anything like that. So now that I cured that layer of base gel, I'm coming in with a second layer of base gel where I need it. So I'm going to examine the nail from all angles, and if I see a bit that needs kind of filling in, I'm just going to add some product there and then cure in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. Now that I'm happy with that and my design is encapsulated, I'm going to go ahead and apply my top coat. And again, you want to make sure you apply this to the entire nail and cure in the lamp for a full 60 seconds, making sure to cap the free edge as well. For those of you that may not know, Glitter Planet have just released lots of new products, so I'll be sure to link that down below if you want to check it out as well. And we will have some bundle deals and sales and giveaways for Black Friday, so that is super exciting. I'm just coming in with the wipe off solution. We have this coming soon to the website, and I'm just going ahead and removing that sticky layer from the can I speak? No. From the gel top coat. And then this is the final look. It is so simple and so easy to do, and you can do so many variations. I could have used any colour as the base and it would look absolutely stunning. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you learned something. If you try it out, tag me, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up and share it as well. And as always, remember, you are bomb.com lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.